GC News. Mema Owuya Akwaba Hadie latest and hot news nkwa enamede bremo. Anuti so wunya subscribe ya bobodi ase ube subscribe to the channel. Yobe answer ube click the subscribe button no. Na wabele notification no. When sa new video be uploaded on the first person I was sabeka sa video. Afi uya na wa like video give us a thumbs up na fi share my offer so na when you be here na wo hu ensema ekoso ewo Ghana be mo hanu afi yembura ye ensema abeto ye kunso yeyina nim say ye 2024 December January election be hyehyɛ eni Bruce abia na say emene ya bensi ya na so for do na ye prophet do na the one commission ya de etuga ekyerese o asomesi ne be yini na so bintin ene be yini ekoye ensem bebre ewo mo hanu. Now, when a Nigerian prophet be at the end, some atuga prophet no your friend or a prophet in Boma or a Nigerian now waka and some degree after a year 2024 December general elections here a position free. Many some of the atuga for Bawumia who any John Dramani Mahama, any NDC MPP. Now, what the atuga watch say a year. Amabia one of the 1% a year Bawumia, anyone 1% a year Mahama Suvini. And yes, about maybe and you basic say Mahama Suginia and some basic a year prophecy, Nigeria prophecy at the ensemble Naira and not to the Alpha Sansenno. Now, yes, some no attempt to marry you could see the mechanism and you could see a summer a year prophecy. I found a Boma, Nigeria prophecy in tea and summer what they are to that.
Too much of confidence will make you lose the election. It's just small. There's so many few weeks. Mama, your confidence is about to fail you if you are not careful. They will just hijack your election, steal your ballot box.
And the result is obvious. The things are difficult. I know that there are two people coming. But the Lord has told me that by the 9th of December, His Excellency Dr. Bawumia shall be crowned the President of Ghana.
American does not want Mahama. American wants that man called Bawumia. Listen, it is Ghana that will decide.
And for those of you who are my children, you can go through the archives. Not one single prophecy of mine has fallen down void.
He will cripple. He what? He will cripple Christianity in Ghana. One. This election in Ghana. The Ghana election. Mahama is like this. Too much of confidence will make you lose the election. It's just small. There's so many few weeks. Mahama, your confidence is about to fail you if you are not careful. They will just hijack your election, steal your ballot box. Are you getting what I'm saying? Let me give two options to Ghana. I'm not going, it's time for me to be going deep in some areas, not top. If Mahama rules Ghana, Ghana will have a lot of changes. If Mahama rules Ghana, there's going to be a lot of changes. Not so much, but few. But it's still going to be a lot. So more than 5 changes, 6 changes. The dollar will do very well. Cedis will hit dollar down. if Mahama becomes the president of Ghana. But there is a man, I'm seeing his head coming up like this. What I said? I see his head coming out. If that man wins,
you are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
As the president of Ghana, he wears eyeglass. That man will sign gay marriage. 1, 2. He will bring Ghana into high places in cultism. 3. The economy will look like it's about to be better, then it will go down. That man will bring the Antichrist to Ghana with fast speed and world order. Listen. The Americans are negotiating that man. They are not negotiating Mahama. They want that man to rule Ghana. I don't know his name. Maybe you tell me his name. The man. Something like is it Bawumia? American does not want Mahama. American wants that man called Bawumia. Listen, it is Ghana that will decide. I don't know the man, I've not seen him before. With all humility, he's tall. He likes wearing eyeglass. He's so calm, but he's walking on the ground. If Mahama wins, Ghana will be better than Nigeria. 1 cedis will be very high. I don't know the man, if the man is the one they call Bawumia, but he's tall. He's tall. He likes wearing eyeglass. He's dark in complexion. He's not slim. Are you getting what I'm saying? Osas, if you are cutting the video to put it later, put this part where I'm laughing so that it will pain some people. When I say serious things, I laugh. You know why I laugh? I am not the one who said it. I'm just a messenger. He says he's talking important thing. I hate it when he's laughing. Are you the one telling me the message? Are you the one to tell me how to talk? Or you come and teach me? It's God. He talks calmly. So if I'm talking to you too, I'm laughing talking, because he said he speaks to us from the place of happiness, joy. Where is it in the Bible? And he said, the Bible said, and he was frowning his face. The joy of the Lord is my strength. I used to have anger problem. I used to be very angry. Very angry. That my face used to lower my mouth like nah, I'm smiling. You verse, people talk. You smile, people talk. In this Africa, should we commit suicide because of you people? I have long life. I will live long. I will live long. You don't kill me. You can't. Mahama, relax, relax. Enjoy your life, my brother. Relax. on that day of election, my vote is gone. It's gone. As much as you have good heart, Mahama, as much as you have good heart for the people of Ghana, even the same people, not everybody wants you. This tall man with eyeglass wants to rule. The American government is interested in Ghana. Russia is interested in Ghana. Russia wants Mahama to win. America does not want Mahama to win. America does not want Mahama to win. I said it. America. I said it. You know why? Mahama have pride. He looks very humble. Lie. He has what? I said it. He has pride. He looks humble. He talks on it. He has a good heart for the nation. But the America will want to take it from him. And they will give it to this tall man with eyeglass. That man will cripple Christianity in Ghana. Listen, he will cripple. He what? He will cripple Christianity in Ghana. One. Number two, the economy will look like it wants to get better. The moment it goes before you die, it falls down. That's two. Number three, he will take away freedom from his people. All these social media people that you just get pressure, you switch you off. That's second. Third, there are rights, there are people's property he will take from their owners. Are you hearing what I'm saying? He will just be taking people's property and say the federal government is interested. It belongs to the federal government. He will be taking. If you vote him, if you allow him become your president, it's like this. And let me tell you, he has also given some men of God cash. Cash out. I tell you, he has given men of God cash. Has given men of God cash. He has given them cash. So the people of Ghana, it's your choice. Either you fight for Mahama to be a blessing, or you sit down and watch how Iroko tree will break every other tree and be in charge. Are you getting what I'm saying? So you hear, he has given cash. So many people have cashed out from him. If that man come, listen, not tomorrow, you not say, hey, you didn't say it, you didn't say it. The man will shake will shake Ghana Christianity. You see all these prophets that looks like they are supporting him secretly, they are supporting him. When he becomes the president of Ghana, he will switch them off. You can't come out and say, the Lord spoke to me. He will descend on you. Many prophets, he will bite them over. They will support him. They will even come. I say it's the choice of God. When he enters into power, he will shut them down. Why? They say, what is this? It's the president. So, Mahama, keep playing. They play. They play. Just they play. It's not about you sitting down to pray. Ghana, stand up for your election. You will go to court, nothing will happen. You will go court one, do protest. If the protest is too much, they arrest all of you. 70 years old man. So don't wait till it comes to pass. Stand up for the election. Collect your right.
You're waiting for winning, and somewhere here, Próphet here, we free Nigeria. I friend of Prophet Abel Buma, means someone would here to verify here 2024 general election services. Someone Wakafa Bawumia, any John Dramani Mahama, and Amide and Prempeh. Because GC News so and our head home. So we can subscribe here. For more, I say over subscribe. So I here latest and hot news in Amide and Prempeh. I feel you know like video, give us a thumbs up, Mafi, share my offer for so. Now when you be here now and someone Akoto Ghana Bemo. Also getting actually what me Afriyie and some way now comment box me. Mobati in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.